such a tough game, so it was great to get over the line in the end.
And Tammy, it was a performance built on a tremendous defensive display.
Yeah.
Everybody bodies on the line.
Yeah, definitely. Like, the defence was insane. Natalie and Sweeper saved us multiple times when they were coming in, and Obi and Kara have been excellent all year, so the defence really came together, yeah.
And you were point up at half-time. What was the message? What was said in the change rooms at half-time?
Just to go out and keep doing what we're doing, remember to keep it wide and just play to the process that we played all year.
And then substitutions were made, the goal went in. How did you feel whenever the goal went in at that stage?
Yeah, definitely. Orla got a goal last time as well, so it was good to have her on to get another one. Yeah, no, it was good. It was buzzing after the goal, and then we just had to keep it tight for the rest of the game, so yeah.
But it was very difficult to put Limerick away. They kept coming back following the goal, and you just lifted your nerves following that.
Yeah, definitely. Like, they never gave up, and they gave it 100% the whole time, went for every ball. It definitely wasn't easy at all trying to get out, but yeah, no, credits to Limerick, like, they were class.
So the Moore and County are on the up, and massive celebrations tonight in County Down.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank
you very much.
Haron no Costula on Jaw, or son Tichi Cahar, on Dush, Lake Nehemher, of Runaway, Agus Go Hard to his lad.